This is how we celebrate the Eid festival in China. Assalamu alaikum, Eid Mubarak. We start the day with the morning fajr. Timetable for 5 prayers. So juicy. Now it's the breakfast time. Home cooked food is always the best food in the world. Renew the wudu. Put on new clothes. Almost forgot my hair. It should be okay. Let's go to the Eid prayer.
人们问你关于酒类的问题，能不能靠近？
Now it's time for family gathering. This year same, my cousin's place. All my family members here. This is ladies section. We start with the baozi. This is the radish with the beef. Carrots with the beef. Some vinegar and chili oil. This is the typical food in our hometown. We have the lamb, chicken, and the beef. This is a very special dish for the Eid festival. Outside is the starch, inside is the beef tenderloin. Spicy and sour, the beef is so tender. Wow, I love it. Dessert, 八宝饭, made with the sticky rice, honey, red dates, walnuts, raisin, and all together. They even have some osmanthus sauce. We finish with a noodle soup, 酸汤面. Wow, very comforting. Now it's the hongbao time. When I was a kid, it's the same. You know, Eid is all about the hongbao, new clothes, and delicious foods. But now it's changed. Wow, also I have a hongbao. Also Dawood. Now we are here to visit the cemetery. This is our village. For the rest of the day, we will visit different relatives. Some visits we only see once a year. Some, one day we may not see again. It is about connection. It's about showing up, sitting together, sharing the food, and being present where we still can. Eid Mubarak. Stay tuned and spread love.